Hi everyone, it's me again, Marcus from Horntools. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a folding tent using our brand new product, the Elements Roof Tent. Setting up a folding tent is very simple and straightforward. First, we remove the transport lock here and set it aside. Then we open the zipper on the cover. We've attached an extra long cord here so that when the roof tent is mounted on the car, I can pull it from one side of the vehicle and easily open the zipper. It's best to fold up the corners and then you can open the zipper all the way around. Then simply remove the cover and pull it forward and down. Depending on whether you're going to continue your journey soon or stay in one place for a while, you can simply just remove the cover. Of course, make sure to open the zipper first. And just like that, the cover is removed. You can then store it in the vehicle. And now we move on. Release the tent fasteners here. Do the same on the other side. And now you're ready to unfold the tent. To do this, simply pull the ladder out a bit, push it down, and the tent will unfold. So that's the basic setup of the tent. Now we can attach the guy clamps on the side and set up the awning at the front. And then the rooftop tent is ready for use. To securely fasten the guy rods, this tent also has the fabric openings right here. Simply insert the rod and then fasten it. Do the same on the other side. Now close the cover here. And the first window is already guyed out. Now at the back of the tent, carefully pull the fabric over once again, making sure it is smooth and properly aligned. Next, gently guide the guy rod all the way through the opening, ensuring it passes through without twisting. Once the rod is in place, securely fasten it and hook it into its designated spot to complete this step. Now the last window when hooking in the rods, always make sure that the water drip tips are pointing downward so that no rainwater can run along the rod and into your tent. So that's it for the windows. Now we'll quickly tension the awning. To do this, simply pull out the rod that's included in the roof tent and secure it in the guide. Do the same on the other side. And then loosen the fasteners here, set up the awning, and then the whole thing can be tensioned. There we go. Here we still have the straps to guide out the roof tent at the front. I recommend that you always do this right away, because if it gets a bit windy at night, You'll otherwise get the flapping noises from the tent. If it's properly guyed out, you'll never have a problem. So the tent is now ready for spending the night.